September 18th earthquake, measuring 6.9 on Richter scale, caused heavy casualties and disaster in Sikkim. The catastrophe not only claimed many human lives, but also damaged many roads and bridges in the region. Here's a report.
It was an unfortunate evening for the people in Sikkim as the deadly earthquake claimed over 70 lives and left over 100 injured. The rescue team swung into action immediately after the incident. Several disaster management teams were rushed to the spot and they were working incessantly. The rescue teams conducted aerial surveys of the quake-hit areas with an aim to search for the survivors. 5,500 soldiers and officers of the army and Indo-Tibetan border police are working day in day out to clear the debris of quake and restore normalcy in the quake-hit region. Incessant rainfall and fog hampered rescue work, with high mountain passes to the worst affected region blocked by rocks and muds. The rescue operation is named as Operation Tri Shakti Madad.
We have been working all through the night. The one road construction company has been involved in this, and we put about 12 machines, earth-moving machines, to get the landslides cleared.
Army, Air Force, NDRF, सब मिलजुल कर यहाँ पे जो काम कर रहे हैं, उम्मीद कर सकते हैं कि आने वाले दिनों में, हफ्तों में या शायद कुछ और भी लग सके कुछ ऐसे इलाकों में जहां पे सड़कें धंस गई हैं, जल्दी से जल्दी कम्युनिकेशन लाइंस को वापस रिस्टोर किए जाने की संभावना है.
On September 22, Union Home Minister P. Chidambaram visited the quake-hit areas to review the ground situation. The centre has announced financial aid worth ₹50 crore to the state for relief operations.
We have reviewed the financial position of the state. They have enough cash, and I have instructed them to go ahead and spend the money on all the items that I just mentioned, just to make sure that they have enough money to spend. With the approval of the Prime Minister, I have announced an immediate grant of ₹50 crore to the government of Sikkim.
The high-intensity quake damaged the infrastructure in Sikkim to a large extent. Several houses collapsed and cracks could be seen in many buildings and monasteries. The electricity and water supply was disrupted and most of the communication lines in the region were damaged. Shops, businesses and offices were closed in Gangtok and neighbouring areas, and a large number of people sought shelter at the government-run relief camps.
मोनास्ट्री में आई थिंक आप लोगों का ये 100 में 70% ऐसा डैमेज हो गया.
The intensity of the quake was so strong that its ripples were felt in other parts of the country and in Tibet, Nepal and Bangladesh as well.